Hi, Martin here. Today we're going to look at a RD250 DX, I think it is, air cooled. Today's biscuit, we've got Kit Kat again. Can't go wrong with a Kit Kat. And a cup of tea. Just going to flip There it is. See if we can get it going.
This morning.
We're here at John's just looking at the RD250 we're going to try a start straight away. Look, we've got the fuel line up into a bottle there, down to a nice little Y piece there. Look, just saves putting fuel in the tank when you're storing it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Choke? Yeah, choke's on. KH400 there. We did a video on that already. Check it out. It was a good one. Oh, come on, Yamaha. Let me try. All right, I'm going to have a little go. We think it's just moaning because it wanted to sleep and it doesn't like being started. Been in here for 3 years. So let's have a go. Choke on, ignition on. Make sure that's on. Come on. Not happening. It's tinker time. We're just pulling out one of the plugs to see what's going on. It sounded like it was going to go, didn't it? Yeah, it looked like.
They don't look that bad.
They're not too bad. Maybe can't. We're just checking the spark. It's a little bit weak. Go on, John. I don't know if you can see that, but you'll have to take my word for it. It's weak. A bit orangey. If we were professional tinkerers, we'd have new spare spark plugs. But wait, John's got an idea. Right, we're now on to professional tinkering. Getting serious now. John vaguely remembers he's got an old RD400 down here. Allegedly. The sort of thing you have, just kicking around in the shed. Most people have got them. Oh, I have. Can't remember where he left it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, sure enough. There's an old RD400 in here. How funny. We're going to nick the plug out of it. Right. We'll get onto that and then see if it works.
Oh, brand new plugs in it.
Oh, happy days. Brand new plug? Right. Let's get back to the RD. Right, we've nicked the plug out of the RD400. This is last chance saloon now. We'll stick that in and then we'll see. Just before we try to start it, so a little bit of brake cleaner down the carb just to make sure it's getting a fuel source. There we go. You never know. Let's try it one more time. I think that's running on one cylinder. Only one cylinder, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like the brake cleaner trick.
Yeah.
Comment below if you already knew that one, because I didn't know that. Seen the easy start trick, but not brake cleaner. Learn things every day.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, so our attention turned to the carb now. I'm just going to just double check there is fuel in the carb. Just undoing the drain at the bottom. Okay, we've worked out what it is. The carb's not got any fuel at all in it, so we'll whip that off and sort that out. So yeah, we took the carb off and just checking that the needle valve is working, which it is. Actually, we found it wasn't working, so we cleaned it up and got it working. So we're just checking that the little needle valve that controls the fuel coming in is working. It wasn't a minute ago. We've cleaned it up. It now is. So hopefully fuel's going to come in now. Right, so we've sorted out the carb, we think. Got the needle valve working.
Let's turn the fuel on in here.
Turn on the petrol in our false fuel tank. Give that a little bit of time to go down. You can see it going down, yeah. Right, let's give it one last go. Right, we'll try it again now. Ooh. Hopeful. Way, that's better. That's the sound. Yes. Classic. Yeah, it does. It sounds good. There we go. Hey. I wanted to give it a little rev. Two-stroke. Gotta love the sound of a two-stroke twin. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Bit of tinkering with two-strokes. Oh, we're starting it again. Thanks for watching this far. Not many people do. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. Maybe comment below if you have any stories about two-stroke twins. And also check out some of our other videos which have got two strokes. See you in the next video.